So today we are introducing our metal sheet cleaning machine. This is the metal sheet manual input material. This is the cleaning section. You can see our rollers, brushes, waters down. There are 1, 2, 3 sections. These white rollers are absorbing waters. And here is our drying section. We have ovens in here. 1, 2 sections for drying. And now we can get a clean and dry product. You can see on the top, very clean, very dry. We have 4 water tanks, five water tanks, 2 drying ovens, 700 millimeters width, automatic panel control. Very good machine. Thank you for watching.